I do believe I'm live. Well, I'm sure I am. Good evening. So, sorry I'm a little bit later than normal by 4 minutes. Got a little bit too carried away with Minecraft. God, that's an addictive game. It is very, very, very easily distracting. So, what are we doing today? I am getting the machine started so we can get through things. The plan today is to change my audio for 1 second. 1 moment. There we go. Better. Yeah, plan today is to delve further into version 2 of Not Wordle. Yes. Yeah. Not feeling it today, to be honest. We'll get there, but yeah, it's not. I don't know. Maybe just the heat. The heat's getting to me. It's asking me for a password again. Not that. There we go. Cool. Right. Let me get that started and then we can have a look at where we are and what we're doing. Because I feel like it's been forever, even though it's only been one single week. One single week. Feels like forever. All right, cool. Ready. And here we are back in the wonderful world of a virtual machine. Okay, so what are we doing? Version 2. Do I want to do that today? I mean, yes, I suppose. But do I want to do it? Oh, what's this? Yeah, that's fine. So let's remind you, me, and everyone else, mostly me, where we got up to. Yes, moving the apps about. So we were talking about environments. So I created a development environment. We should have a solution as well. I believe that's what we were doing. Let's go back to there. Not in there. It was in here. Yes, base solution. So the base solution has our game, and our game is not playable. Why is it not playable? Is this not a game? There it is. Developer environment, developer test purposes only. That makes perfect sense. Yeah, cool. So it's in there and it is working. Not a word. Definitely not a word. That's a stupid word. All right. Sorry, I'm just thinking whether I want to continue with the Wordle app right now or if I want to explore some other things for just this week. I'm quite tempted by other things for this week, at least. Itchy. Right. 1 moment. I just need to stream. Just need to check something. So it is meant to be blurred. It is intentionally blurred, so please bear with me. There's some stuff I just don't want showing off just yet. You know, I really should get some hold music or something. I gotta look into how that works, what I need to be able to do that license-wise. Because I'm sure there's a license implication to doing stuff like that. It's annoying. I don't actually have the password for the account I wanted to use. Okay, fair enough. You know what, folks? I think I might call it today just because I'm just not feeling it. Yeah, it's going to be unless there's anything I can think of. Is there anything that... I am intrigued by, I know that's all one word, but I'm just going to put it together like that. Are you aware of the XRM toolbox? It's very cool. So I think I'll be setting up some stuff on that fairly soon. Also, there is so tools. Tools are a thing that I'm quite passionate about. I definitely want to do a whole stream or session on this. That is interesting. So this is the Power Platform CLI, so command line interface, what that CLI means. It is interesting that it's called PAC, P-A-C, which I think is Power Apps command line. So PAC CLI is kind of redundant. But it is a very, very, very good and useful tool. So I will explore that, I think, in a future stream. If not, not today. I just don't want to, if I'm truly honest. I was thinking of cancelling earlier, but I didn't. So to that end, I'm going to leave it. Sorry for that. For anyone that wanted to watch and see the next part, I will continue on. I just don't want to do it today. So thank you anyway if you have started to watch. Let me know in the comments below if you are watching this after, because there's no one currently on. If you're watching this after, let me know if you're interested in me exploring the tools related to the Power Platform, because I am quite keen on showing them off, reviewing them, telling people how they work and how to use them. And certainly the XRM Toolbox is the biggest community tool that's out there. So not Microsoft created, but certainly Microsoft supported to an extent. And the PAC CLI is actually Microsoft created, and it's really the one tool to rule them all in many ways. Good old Lord of the Rings reference there. So this is definitely a tool that you need to use. You don't have to be a developer to use it, in my opinion. You do have to be comfortable using the command line terminal. Not that one. That is the wrong thing. This one, PowerShell. Oh, interesting. I should probably go and do that. Oh, yes, definitely go and do that. So this is nothing to do with anything necessarily, but PowerShell is... All right, if we're talking tools, PowerShell is the ultimate tool from a Windows perspective. It is the terminal, what someone would call the command line. It's where you come here and you start typing things. Now, the reason it's the ultimate tool is that you can do a lot with it. So from a development perspective, you can pretty much do anything you want in here. And so it is the ultimate tool from that perspective. Yeah, I'll get that installed and we can go through it in future. But yeah, let me know. Also, just let me know in the comments if you are interested in anything in particular that you want me to go through. If you've watched any of the streams or the videos previously, you'll know the kind of things that I've been doing so far. Maybe you want to do more of that. Maybe you've got an idea of something you want to see me do. But definitely keen on tools. I wanna do some more in the tooling side of things. And I will continue Wordle. Yep, I'll continue it next week. So let me go back onto full screen. Yeah, it's just been a bit of a busy couple of weeks with work and life, and it being hot. So I think I'm just gonna skip it today. Yeah. Thank you anyway, and catch you in the next one.